Want to level up your edits like a pro? In this video, I'll show you 4 powerful editing tricks in DaVinci Resolve that will make your video stand out. Whether you're a beginner or advanced editor, these tips will change your workflow.
Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Want to make your text or images pop like they're marked with a highlighter? Perfect for presentations, tutorials, or stylized edits. I've got 2 things on the timeline. An image, this one's a newspaper but you can use anything, and a text layer on top of it. Now we'll add the highlighter effect using a solid color. Go to the Effects tab, search for Solid Color under Generators, and drag it on top of both clips in the timeline. Click the solid color in your timeline. Then go over to the Inspector panel. Under Generator, click on the color box. I'll choose a bright yellow, lemon crayon looks perfect. Click OK. Next, go to the Settings tab and change the composite mode from normal to multiply. This blends the color so it looks like a real highlighter over your content. Right now it's covering the entire screen, but we want it to look like a real highlight stroke. To fix this, scroll down in the inspector and use the cropping controls. Start by adjusting the top, bottom, left, and right sliders until the highlight covers just the text or area you want. Now let's animate the effect so it reveals like a real highlight. Go to where you want the highlight to end. Add a keyframe on the crop right property. Move to the beginning of the clip and slide the crop right all the way so the highlight is hidden. DaVinci Resolve will automatically animate the crop between those 2 keyframes. If the animation feels slow or too fast, open the keyframe timeline, select both keyframes, and move them closer or further apart to adjust the speed. Now hit play, you'll see a clean highlighter swipe across your screen. And that's it. A simple, clean highlighter effect in DaVinci Resolve that works on text. Ever had a great shot where the white balance feels maybe too warm or too cool? There's a super quick way to fix it in DaVinci Resolve. Head down to the Color tab at the bottom. Make sure you're on the color wheels, that's the section on the bottom left. Most people start tweaking the temperature and tint sliders here, and yeah, it works, but there's a faster and smarter way. Let's undo all that, hit Ctrl+Z. Here's the trick. Look below the lift wheel, you'll see a little eyedropper tool called Pick Black Point. Computer mouse, click that, then find a nice dark spot in your shot and select it. This tells Resolve, hey, this is pure black. Do the same for the gain wheel, but this time select the Pick White Point eyedropper. Computer mouse, click on something that should be pure white in your shot. Your white balance is instantly corrected. Check your scopes, you'll see the difference right away. This method is faster, more accurate, and saves you from endlessly tweaking sliders. This smooth sliding transition is perfect for photo videos, slideshows, and stylish edit. First, make sure your clips are trimmed down to the right length. Now let's add the transition. Head over to the Effects panel on the top left. Click on Video Transitions. Look for Motion, then find Slide. Just drag and drop the slide transition between your 2 clips. By default, it slides from left to right, but let's make it look cooler. Click on the transition to select it. Go to the Inspector panel on the top right. If you don't see it, click Inspector to open it. Under Video Transition, change the preset to slide top to bottom, or whichever direction you like. Turn the blur strength all the way up for a smooth, clean look. And don't forget to turn on ease in and ease out. This makes the motion look way more natural. If the transition feels too slow, just trim the clips down a little more. Now here's a quick trick to speed things up. Hold Alt on Windows, and drag the transition to duplicate it. Do it as many times as you need. Super easy, right? And one final pro tip. If you really want this to pop, add a nice camera shutter sound effect. It instantly makes it feel like a photo slideshow. That's it. Fast, clean, and professional. Try it out and let me know how it looks in the comments. I'm going to show you a really cool effect that can instantly boost your editing game, the flash film transition in DaVinci Resolve. Let's jump in. So first, make sure you've already added your clips to the timeline and trimmed them the way you like. Now let's add the actual flash effect. Go to the Effects panel at the top left. Scroll down until you see Effects, then look for something called Adjustment Clip. Click it and drag it onto the track above your clips. It doesn't need to cover the full clip, just a small section right over the cut. Around 5 to 10 frames is perfect for a snappy effect. Now, make sure the adjustment clip is selected, and head over to the color page. This is where we'll create the flash look. Find the gain control in the color wheels, and increase it until the screen looks very bright, like a white flash. Don't go too crazy, just enough to create impact. Want to add more style? Go into curves and bring up the highlights a bit more. You can even tint the flash slightly, maybe a little blue or orange depending on your vibe. Once that looks good, let's go back to the edit page. Here, zoom in on your adjustment clip. We're going to add a fade in and fade out to the clip. To do that, grab the little white handles on the edges and pull them in. Now shorten the clip so the flash is really quick, about half a second or less. The fade should sit right over the cut between your two clips. Play it back and there you go. A smooth, stylish flash transition in just a few steps. Want to reuse it again and again? Just hold Alt on your keyboard, drag the clip, and drop it wherever you need a flash. It's fast, it's simple, and it adds a nice punch to your edits. Try it out and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching. If these tricks helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Visual Nova for more pro editing tips. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.